have a lot going on today at our home site. They are finishing up our septic system, actually putting the topsoil back over that now. They are leveling off where the barn is going to go, and we are getting our basement stairs installed. But there's also a very special delivery coming today, and is a material called Glavel. And this material is very instrumental for the low carbon footprint of this home. Glavel is a 100% post-consumer recycled glass material. It's what they called a foamed glass. It's made with 100% renewable energy. It is a structural material, and it's also an insulator, and it's what's going to go underneath the slabs inside our home. They're going to put 18 inches of this material down, compacted to 12, which will give us an R20 insulation under the concrete slabs, and that's going to be key to the energy efficiency of this home. So we are waiting for that material to come, and it's supposed to be here shortly. So our Glavel has arrived. Behind me, they're going to have to unload this with the excavator. I think I counted like 24 bags. It looks like the bags are, I don't know, 2 yards or something. So there's quite a bit of Glavel there, but it's going to go under all the slabs in the house. There's going to be 18 inches put down. It's going to be compacted to 12 inches. The interesting thing about this product is it is a foamed glass product. It's made from 100% post-consumer recycled glass with 100% renewable energy. The factory actually has its own dedicated renewable energy that they use. So our 12 inches of Glavel is going to give us an R20 underneath the slabs to make this house very, very energy efficient. So we've got all of the Glavel unloaded. If you can see, it's 3 yards in one of these bags. We've got 24 bags, so we got 72 yards of Glavel. So seems like a lot, but they're putting 18 inches underneath the slab, so except for the garage. So we'll have to see. I'm sure they calculated it right, but looks like a lot of Glavel. So I have a piece of the Glavel in my hand, and it's very interesting. It's very lightweight. It weighs almost nothing. Very hard. You can definitely see the pores in it. It is a closed cell structure, but yeah, really interesting. So our bed of Glavel is completely installed and compacted. We have 12 inches of Glavel here, giving us that R20 insulation for underneath the slab that we are expecting. So that'll help make this house very energy efficient. The next step that we have is the plumbers are going to come in. They're going to run all the plumbing that will be underneath the slab. Once that's done, the slab can be poured. Next step from there would be framing over the top of our basement section. And once that's done, our straw wall panels can go up. So they're expected here in I think a couple weeks. So we hope you'll continue to watch us and see our progress on our farmhouse build. Now the only question I have is what to do with 24 3-yard polypropylene Glavel bags, but we're going to hold on to those. We're not going to put those in the trash. We're going to try to repurpose those or see if we can recycle those somewhere. If you have any suggestions, please put those in the comments below. We'll certainly appreciate that. But that'll about do it for today. So we thank you for joining us once again. And as always, here on Sunny Side Up Farm, we hope all your days are sunny side up. Why does it seem that there's never sun when I shoot these videos?